Today we're doing cheesy muffins and how to make. First, you're going to start off in a bowl or a mixer and add 6 eggs. Once you got all your eggs in there, you're going to add 1 cup of milk or cream. I use 10%. You're going to add your whisk attachment or use a whisk and add 2 tablespoons of butter melted slowly into the egg and milk mixture. Add 2 cups of gluten-free flour split, meaning add 1 cup now, and then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and then 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. Now you can't omit this. And then you're going to add your last cup of gluten-free flour. After you whisk it all up, you do want to scrape down all the sides and make sure all the dry ingredients are mixed in. Well, once you have everything mixed well, you are going to add 1 cup of your favorite cheese, and I used mozzarella. This is me just shredding it up. Mix it one more time. And once everything's mixed together well, you're just going to clean the whisk, and then you're going to get a muffin tray, and you can grease up your muffin tray or put cupcake holders in there. You're just going to scoop your batter into the tray, and you just want to make sure it's evenly spread so they all cook the same and evenly. And then I threw it in the oven on 300 for about 25 to 35 minutes. This is what it looks like, 15 minutes. And then we got another oven shot at 25 minutes. And then these muffins turned out to be actually 30 minutes, 32, 35 minutes I left mine in. And they turned out a pretty good overall muffin for whatever. But when you open them up, they are pretty good. They have a squishiness, the cheese melted creating the gaps, but it's more like a French toast, eggy taste. And then I also had some batter left over, so I made some little ones. And they were also delicious, and I just throw them on top of pasta when I be having it. Enjoy.